Hey everybody, Chris here. I have a Bulerias falseta for you today. I just want to make sure that you know that now I have my Patreon page live, and I want you to know about it because I've got an incredible flamenco guitar workout. So make sure to head over there. The link is down below in the description. Get over there. It's a great price for a flamenco guitar workout for every month. Okay, you'll get a new workout every month. Anyway, so I want to let you know about that. Please subscribe to my YouTube because I'll still be posting free stuff here, and hit the notifications button. Got to hit the notifications button to make things happen. So, to the falseta that I'm doing today. This is a Bulerias falseta, and it's off my first album called Motivacion. That was the title of the album, but the title of this song, I actually can't even remember the title of this song. Huh. I should have thought of that before. But anyway, this is a falseta for it. It's really good for a pulgar, your thumb work, and really good for ligado, all the left hand hammer-ons and pull-offs. So I'm going to play that for you, and for my Patreon subscribers, tab is available for anybody who signs up today for, well, not today, but this month for the flamenco guitar workout that I'm doing. So you'll get the flamenco guitar workout, plus you'll get tabs for this. There's other lessons already up there, so you'll get access to that right away. So anyway, this is it. Here you go. So, oh, let me count you in. Sorry. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's it. So it's a fun little piece, real catchy little melody, real good for your thumb, and great for your ligado playing. Tabs available at Patreon, and thank you so much. I'm super excited. I have so much incredible content on Patreon. You got to get on there and check it out. I promise you're going to be blown away by what you learn on my Patreon page. So hope to see you there. As always, feel free to leave questions here. I'm going to be still posting lots of free stuff, lots more free stuff actually. So don't worry about that. If you can't make it happen at the Patreon, that's totally fine. But I hope to see you there, because then take it up a whole notch. I have things available from like cante and baile accompaniment to we can also start having a little bit more. There's if you want to do like private classes and get into that coaching and all that, and I can take you to way beyond just the next level. So lots of great stuff. Sorry, I'm all hunched down here. I'm trying to get this good angle for the guitar, and it's not a great angle to speak with. I'm not particularly camera friendly anyway. The guitar is really what it's all about. So anyway, I hope you have a great day. Enjoy this work, and let me know if you have any questions. Leave a question. Again, I have to remind you, subscribe, get the bell thing, the notifications, and all that stuff. So have a great day. Thanks. Enjoy the work. Bye-bye.